second time again include water and again squeeze get second milk. Second milk like milk.
Okay.
Now, this one third time. Now put water. Put it water. Now again squeeze. We get third milk. Third milk like water. We squeeze coconut 3 times.
Okay.
Yeah. First one better.
Yeah, the
This
best
one,
one.
yeah.
Richer.
This one we use only hard things, strong one. Dal curry, first time we put in third milk. After little bit boiling, put in third milk. After put in fire. Little bit boiling, include second milk. And again little bit boiling, last time include first.
Yeah.
Soft thing, beans. This one soft. We include only first milk. Okay? Yeah. Now I will show you how to squeeze coconut. Yeah. Put in water and squeeze like this. Right. Now this one no flavor, no good, no taste. This one put our garbage bucket. Some people use this one make animal foods, chicken foods. We use this one make compost.
Oh.
Yeah. You can check this one and this one different taste. Yeah, you try, madam.
Okay.
All of